Hey everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. It helps my channel out so very much. Today I'm participating in the What Makes Me Happy collab hosted by me, myself, and DIYing it. Level of Style with Sandra Simon. Love is the Main Key, Jazigreen Decor Style, and DIY Design by CCW. Links to all these ladies' channels will be listed below, as well as a link to the playlist. So being outdoors makes me happy. Nature always calms me and brings me peace. And while I'm camping this week, I thought I'd show that there's peacefulness in the simplicity of things. That being in nature, whether you just go for a walk or are camping like me this week, is already decorated and designed for being still and peaceful. Being outdoors always makes me happy, and I just wanted to share that with you today. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you guys. Do you see the sun coming up? It's really early morning. It's, I don't know, 7 a.m. I think. Because if that's not peaceful, I really don't know what is. So I'm just sitting here in my camp chair, just, you know, in the trees. And it's definitely a peaceful situation. Look at all the trees around me. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, you don't have to do any kind of tablescape. It's like all here. Like, what more could you possibly want? So yeah, this is my view at my campsite. It's amazing. Okay guys, so I thought I would show you our camping trip here. I know that's kind of different than what the other ladies will be doing. This is just a beautiful campground. It's called McGinnis Campground, and it's part of Holly Recreational area. So it's like everything's in the woods. It's so nice. And I went ahead and we placed our 2 tents on the right side of our site. See our site. And so we went ahead and placed our 2 tents right next to each other. The kids have a tent, and then Randy and I have a tent. So this is Randy and I's tent, and I've got a little rug down and a little container of water so we can rinse our feet off before we enter our tent. Because there's a lot of dirt and sand, but you guys look at my view when I get out of my tent. It really doesn't get any more peaceful than this. And I didn't have to set up anything. Like go camping or go into the outdoors is what I should say. And look at how gorgeous it is and relaxing. I find it to be incredibly relaxing. So on the other side of our little driveway here, on the other side, I've just got our little picnic table set up. You guys, I keep it really simple when I camp. Just like containers full of absolute necessity. Just because I want it to be simple. I know a lot of people really get into the whole thing. I keep it as peaceful as possible for myself. I do. I don't bring all the hoopla. I just don't. I don't want to deal with it. I want it to be easy and simple. So I just get the most simple things, and I just set things up just because I just want to enjoy the nature of things. That is what I like the most. So I've just got our little camp chairs all set up. I've got my computer, and that's my bag for my camera because I'm kind of working on some videos this week while I'm here, which is kind of funny. And then here's our little fire pit. My husband and son dragged this out of the woods to use for kindling because it's like completely dried out. The branches were. We've already used 3 bundles of firewood because campfires are pretty peaceful. I'll go ahead and insert our campfire from last night. I've got some pictures. Okay, so these are some photos from the campfire that we had last night. So that would have been Sunday night. All we did is we roasted some hot dogs, and I just only had mustard and ketchup in the buns. And then we went ahead and got out marshmallows, and we made s'mores, which is what everybody should do when they're camping at least one night. So it couldn't have been more simple. Our campfire was beautiful. Everything turned out great, and it was a lot of fun. So the cool thing about our site is, look, there's a trail right next to it. So let's go down it a little bit. See, I didn't have to decorate anything. It's already decorated. Like, nature's here, man. Look at how green everything is. Michigan is a beautiful state, you guys. If you ever get a chance to vacation in Michigan, you really can't go wrong. You really, really can't, especially if you're going for outdoors. We have forests like this just everywhere. If you've ever heard someone from Michigan say up north, of course that's gorgeous, but we're mid-state and there's just forests just everywhere. There's rivers, there's lakes. It's gorgeous. I mean, it's completely peaceful. This is peaceful. This is what peaceful looks like in my world. So yeah, it looks like this path goes all the way. I'm not sure how long this one is, but I just wanted to show you. We have trails in Michigan just everywhere. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And across the street from this campsite, there is a beach and a lake and fishing and all of that. We have not just the Great Lakes, there's lakes everywhere here. And I just thought, a lot of you know, we're in the middle of building a house and we're actually out of the apartment we were staying in. We had to get out before our house was done. Our house is taking longer because of COVID. And we decided to do this so we could be in nature and get some peacefulness. So my husband's been going to work from here for this week and we've just been enjoying. I mean, I have nothing that I need to decorate, right? All right, guys, so I'm just showing you the lake really quick, and the kids and I will spend some time here while we're here too. It's just really pretty, and actually there's another lake in this little complex as well, and it kind of winds through the whole place. They've got like a little fun center there for the kids. But anyways, it winds through the whole place, you guys. And there's boat launches and all kinds of stuff. They've got 2 spots that are actually beaches. And then there's tons of different little nooks and crannies where you can do picnics and all that kind of thing. Boat launches, you name it. It's here. This place is huge, just absolutely huge. Thanks so much for letting me share the outdoors with you. I will see you soon.